Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about abstract class in PHP language. What is abstract class and methods? Abstract class and methods are when the parent class has a named method but need its child class to fill out the task. That means within the parent class we declare the method but we do the implementation within the child class. Abstract class is a class that contain at least one abstract method. That means we that mean abstract. If we create the abstract class, we need to have one abstract method. Otherwise, no point to create abstract class. That's why. An abstract method is a method that is declared but not implemented in the code. Yeah, abstract method is a method that is declared. That means we only declare the method within the abstract class, but we do the implementation within the extended class, otherwise child class. Abstract class or method is defined with the abstract keyword. Yeah, using abstract keyword, we define in the abstract class and methods. Let's go to the code and yeah, get better idea. Here I will create a, PHP class called user. Within this user class, I will add the property public name, and here I will create a construct as well to set this method value, property value, construct dollar name dollar this name equal to dollar name. Okay. Now we'll create the abstract. Yeah, here I have to. That means to make this as an abstract class, I have to add the abstract keyword. Abstract. Now it's abstract class. Yeah. Mm, let's create abstract method as well. Abstract method call. Let's say public function info. Within this info, okay, oh, sorry, we are not creating the body, just a string. Like this is our abstract class. We have abstract keyword before the class keyword, and within the abstract class, we have abstract method. And now we have for qualified abstract class, and we use this abstract class within the our child class. Let's create a child class called admin, extending this abstract user class. Okay. Now in here, if we are extending this abstract class, we have to use this method. We have to implement the method. Otherwise, it will return error. Here I will create the method yeah, public function info. It will return my name is dot dollar this name. Okay. Now we use the this we have to put string here because return type also declared. Now here we have used the abstract class. We can get output dollar you admin which is equal to new admin let's say Sam. Okay, echo dollar admin g info. Okay, let's start our server. Okay, host 8000. Let's refresh this. Okay, now we can get the result. My name is Sam. Sam is the our constructor, then property value. This is the this is the main that basic abstract class example. And as you can see, let's check whether if we not implement this abstract class method in within the child class, what happened? Let's rename this to 2. Okay, now we are not use this abstract class within the extended class. Let's check what happened. Yeah, it triggered the error. That means it's like a rule. If we use this abstract class, we have to uh, use this abstract method. Otherwise, it will trigger error. It is like a rule. And yeah, this is the basic idea behind of this abstract class. And yeah, let's. I think this example help you to understand something about this abstract class. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's meet with the next video. Thank you very much.